In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate First Latitude credit card. This is a step-by-step guide, so please follow along to get a better understanding. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged in, head over to the home screen. You should see a section for your credit card, or you might need to tap on Menu or My Cards to find it. Look for the card you want to activate. There should be a notification that it's ready for activation. Tap on the card and you'll see an option labeled Activate Card. Go ahead and tap on that. The app will ask you to verify some key details, usually the last 4 digits of your card, the expiration date, or your security code. After submitting the required information, tap on the Activate option to complete its activation process. Well, that's how you activate your First Latitude credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.